Then, of course, there's the copy. In the direct mail world, there are specific time-tested direct response copywriting principles. It is a truly unique discipline, even among all copywriting efforts in the advertising space. You only have a matter of milliseconds to capture their attention, get them to take the next step, be it opening the piece, unfolding the piece, turning the piece, taking action. So how do you capture that attention and build their desire to take action? Here's some copywriting tips. Number one, 80% of people read headlines. Only 20% read the rest of the content. This is according to Copy Blogger. The headline has got to grab their attention. It's got to build curiosity. It's got to get them to want to read the next sentence. That sentence got to get them to want to read the next sentence after that, ultimately all the way down onto the call to action. Another direct response copywriting principle is you want to get readers saying yes. You want to ask questions about your readers' desires, their goals, their pain points, their beliefs that get them saying, yes, this brand, whoever wrote this piece to me understands my values, understands my pain points, understands my goals. It helps them feel identified with, but it also gets them in that yes frame of mind so that they're ready to say yes, ultimately, to your call to action.